Hey, Lily! Will you play this game with me? I'm telling you now, I'm gonna win. We'll see. You have to be fast. I think it's better to go slowly. It's already shaking. You're playing too safe. It fell on your turn, Nora. What? No! How did you win? That's not fair, Lily. You distracted me. It's okay. If you want, we can play again. Now I'll make you upset. Let's see what happens to you next.
What happened, David?
The money is missing. Did you take it?
No, I didn't. Nora! Lily, come here!
Money is missing. Did either of you take it?
No! I think I saw Lily near your room earlier.
What?
No! I wasn't there!
Lily, you shouldn't take money like this. If you needed something, you could have asked me.
Dad, I didn't take anything.
Lily, why did you take the money?
Mom, I didn't take it. Please believe me.
Lily, we will talk later. This is not acceptable.
Why did you say that? Why did you lie?
I didn't lie. I thought I saw you there.
No, Nora, I wasn't there.
Oh, then maybe I was wrong.
Sorry, Lily. Perfect. This will work even better.
What happened here? How did the vase break?
Lily broke it. I saw her knock it down.
Lily, this is getting out of hand now.
What? No, I just came here. Mom, please listen. I didn't break it. I saw it happen. She hit the table.
Enough, Lily. I don't want excuses again. Lily, go bring your dad's white shirt from the room.
Okay, Mom. I'll bring it right now.
Why is this shirt stained like this? I didn't do anything. It was already like this. First money, now this?
Mom, please trust me.
Enough. I don't want to hear excuses anymore. Now they'll never believe you.
Oh no, it slipped. Listen carefully, Lily. You will take the blame for this.
No, I didn't do anything.
If you don't take the blame, I will break something else. And I will blame you again, like before.
Like before? What do you mean? Are you taking the blame or not?
If you don't, I will break something else.
Okay, I will take the blame. But please, don't break anything else.
Wait, what did she just say? So it was Nora all along. She's blaming Lily for everything. What happened here? Who broke this?
Lily broke it. Yes, I broke it. It was my mistake.
Lily, we'll talk about this later. Be careful next time. David, I need to tell you something important about Nora and Lily.
What happened? You look really worried.
I saw everything today. Nora has been blaming Lily for things she did.
Are you sure about this?
I heard them. Nora forced Lily to take the blame.
So the money.
The vase, the shirt, all of it was Nora?
Yes. She planned everything. We kept blaming Lily, but she was telling the truth.
I understand now. We need to handle this carefully.
Yes, you're right. We need to handle this carefully.
What happened? Why are you in my room? Mom and Dad are calling you. Why? I don't know. They just told me to bring you.
Nora, listen carefully. Whatever I ask, you will answer honestly. No lies.
Okay, Dad.
Missing money. Did you take it?
No.
Don't lie. Tell the truth.
Yes, I took it.
The vase in the hallway, did you break it?
No.
Nora, no lies.
Yes, I broke it.
And you blamed Lily for it?
Yes.
The shirt damage. Was that also you?
Yes.
Why did you do all this? Because.
I lost the game. I couldn't accept that Lily won.
Nora, this is not a game. You hurt your sister because of your ego. As a punishment, you won't get any pocket money for a week. And no gifts.
What? I can't stay without money.
Please. Oh, God. Dennis, don't punish her too much.
It's okay. I forgive you, Lily.
You have a very kind heart, Lily.
See, Nora? Your sister chose kindness. Because Lily forgave you, we will reduce your punishment. But this must never happen again.
I'm sorry, Lily. It's okay. I forgive you. I won't do it again.
Good. Learn from this mistake. Trust is hard to rebuild. Don't break it again. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more. Don't forget to like.